Hello everyone. This video I will show you how to fix a domain option grayed out in a Windows 10, Windows 11, yeah, whatever. Okay, this problem first is because your Windows version is Windows 4. That's why it's grayed out. How to fix? Very simple. Just reinstall the Windows to Windows Pro. Yeah, these steps. How to install? I think it's easy for you. Okay, step by step. Yeah, install. Yeah, after install everything, you check Windows 11 Pro. Here, Pro, and confirm this domain option. Yes, see here it works. Okay, thank you. Hopefully this video can help you fix the problem.